Oh, I think it's a good. Stay on. Come here, big boy. Get in here. Skinny, but a fish. Get there some of that. Out here, April 2nd, folks. Wind blowing like crazy. Water temperature's up to 64. Y'all saw we come out here yesterday evening, me and little Doug. Caught a few. I decided I'd come out here before the storm to see if I can catch a few more. Got one, so we can catch some more. Oh, be a good. Be a good. Get up under the boat. Just think you a fatty, don't you? Just think you a fatty. Get over here. Fish number 2. Now that's a fatty. That's a pretty fish right there. That first one I caught, he is skinny. This is pretty. Thank you, baby. Woo. Using old orange chatterbait. Going down the bank. Wind blow me 100 miles an hour, it seems like. Let's catch us another. Oh, here you go. Fish number 3. Oh, and he come off. Quick release. I got another. This might be the biggest of the day. Oh, he's barely hooked. Get in this boat. Yeah. Woohoo! I'll get you some of that fat boy there. Put this little one on the D-liner. He may go 2.5 pounds. I don't know. Not as big as I thought he was. Exactly. No, 2.9, 2 pounds 9 ounces. Thank you, buddy. That's fish number 4. Let's get us another. Chatterbait time. Oh, man. Sometimes this fishing's easy. Sometimes it's easy. Fish number 5. Hang on, buddy. I'm just going to take the picture, turn you loose, let you go. Y'all get you some of that. That's 6. Like I say, sometimes this fishing is easy, folks. I mean, that was back-to-back cast. I'll get you another little bit of that. Let's get us another. Surely I couldn't have back-to-back cast. Whew. Let's try that. yeah, I did too. Back to back to back cast. Right here. He hit that thing right here at the boat. Oh, son. Another little one. That's all right. All right, can we get back to back to back to back casts? 4 in a row? I don't know. I forgot how many fish we got now. I didn't get 4 in a row, but I got 3 in a row. Folks, that's 7 fish in 45 minutes. Oh, and I missed another. They are chomping it today, this morning. Whew. Fun fishing. Fun fishing. Wind blowing like crazy. There ain't many people on the lake though. Blowed everybody else off the lake. Good night. This is the big one. Woo! Woohoo! That's a good one. Good fish. Well, nah, he's coming right in here. Hey, fish number 8, Ben. Pretty fish. Nice. If you get the taste of this wind, we'll get us another. Woohoo! Another solid fish too. Ah, good deal. Quick release. Son, he hammered that thing. Woohoo! Woohoo!
That's a deal, are you gonna get it?
I'll get it. Fish number 10.
That's 312. Almost 4 pounds.
Look at that chatterbait hanging out that rascal's bow. Two pound, 15 ounces.
Dang, that's right.
He's short.
Yeah,
All right, me and little Doug fought the wind and fought the wind and fought the wind, but we're gonna go to the house. We end up with 11. I caught one more chatterbait fish and didn't get the camera going. Hey, I appreciate y'all watching the channel. Hit that subscribe button. Little Doug, all we gotta do is sit here and the wind's gonna take us right to the ramp about 20 miles an hour.